Okay, guys, so welcome to this recap of today's trade. I'm Pete, this is Trading Kitchen. This is a video that I usually share with my premium members. Today I just want to share with here with everybody, hoping this will be appreciate and above all will be useful to you all. So we are a 50-minute time frame. Obviously the first thing I do every morning before London session is opening. Remember, I trade London session and New York AM session. So the first thing I try to identify which could be the bias, and today we already know that we were bearish for the whole session. But to be honest, what I share on my Discord is the zone, okay, in which that makes me think that we were going to test the zone to keep on going long. But fortunately, I don't trade using only daily bias, but I use daily bias just to leave profit running when my trade tells me the same idea of the daily bias. So knowing that, the first trade that I took this morning during London session, so we are opening, and usually we have the first manipulation like this, okay. That doesn't mean that we are going long, but I know usually from 3 a.m. to 3:30, usually something is happening in terms of volume. So the first trade that I made is this one with Model 1. All the trades that I took today are on Model 1. If you don't know what Model 1 is, it's something that I can share in the premium program. But you know, it's very, very easy. And to be honest, the Model 1 is already shared my Discord group for free with an Notion template, which is available for free in my Discord. Anyway, the very important thing about all my models is identifying the right zone, okay. And this to me is a good zone, just because we have strong displacement, we have liquidity, okay. We are in the main trend, which is bullish. The only thing I was worried about is this liquidity sweep here and a strong displacement against the main trend. So this is a typically something that is telling me that probably we are facing a reversal trend, okay. Anyway, I took this trade with a 1 and 2, something like that. Yeah, 1 2 risk to reward. So a quick scalp, okay. And I immediately close the trade. And here we have that's what I was worried about before taking this trade. So we have break of structure sorry, we have microstructure, and here we create a very good zone to trade. Okay, we have, as you can see, Trapper traders, Trapper buyers here. Okay, so we have this liquidity, we have strong displacement, we have break of structure, breaking the last valid low that we do have. So this would be a very good zone to trade. I really don't know, to be honest, why I do not trade this zone. Probably because I sold this displacement, but this would have been a very good trade to take like this. Okay, just 50% of the range of the previous zone, and that's it, 1-to-1. It's a very good trade. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know why I didn't feel comfortable enough. Probably, I don't know. Anyway, we had another zone, which was this one. Okay. The reason by which I do not take the trade is because I didn't see a clear liquidity sweep here. Okay, so even if we have a strong displacement, we have fair value gap. To be honest, this would be something too easy, maybe too obvious, and probably I sold this trade before taking this another trade like this. So probably I'm not feel comfortable what the trade, the main trend was. Anyway, it would have been another good trade. Okay, like here. So not the very best starting of the session, to be honest. Okay, I missed two very good trades, and I would have already reached my daily profit. And the reason by which I took this trade, which was my first stop loss, is because I saw something on Model 2 in the zone. Model 2 is a very high profitable, high win rate, high probability trade, but not here. And I would have, how can I say, I should not take this trade, just because we have 1, 2, 3 tests of the same zone. Okay, so once once price testing the same zone again, it means that probably it wants to break the zone itself. Okay, so bad trade, this one. But anyway, we create the zone and move ahead. Here we don't have any zone to trade. We go higher, and we create the zone, which I really like, because we have a strong displacement. We have this double manipulation, which is a very good signal, 1 and 2. Okay, so this will be the zone, and to be honest, I was pretty much sure that I was confident, to be honest, for this trade. The only thing we could avoid to take this trade is this pattern, which was a manipulation pattern on a higher time frame. Okay, so this is a classical reversal pattern, and I like to take this valid stop losses because when I take a loss like this, 9 times out of 10, the new zone that have been created from the new high to my stop loss was a very high probability zone. So the next trade, if price will reach the zone again, I'm pretty much confident that will move and take my profit. Anyway, let's go ahead. Okay, so we identified the zone because we have liquidity sweep, we have displacement, we have a breakout structure, everything was good. Okay, so even if we are against a main trend, obviously when you see this strong movement, what you have to think is that price need to stop, okay, need to breathe. So even if we are against the main trend, probably price will do something like that to keep on going bearish again. Okay, so this will be a very good trade. This was a very good trade. We made another zone, liquidity sweep, breakout structure, strong displacement, very good zone as well. Okay, so we have another trade with another take profit. Okay, and then finally we keep on going short again. So we keep up with the main trend, which was bearish. Okay, and so we create another zone here, and I took another trade number 6 here, and have another take profit. This was my second mistake of the day, because I understood, also for the speed, the inclination of the price. Look, price made like this, and then a strong displacement, okay, on the other side. So this kind of movement means that sellers have taken control of the market. So we are on a bearish trend. No way. Okay. So the mistake that I made, the very big mistake, was to close here the trade, knowing that we were on the right side of the market. Okay, so this is a typical trade, and it doesn't happen a lot of times during the day, so one, maybe two. This is a trade that you have to leave. Okay, I mean, you have to leave profit running. The reason by which I close is because what I was thinking at the beginning of the session is that we are bullish. Okay, but anyway, now I understand that we are bearish. Okay, so trade number 7 is something that I cannot, the reason by which I took the trade number 7 is because was a previous day very high probability level. Okay, because usually it was the last zone of, I cannot tell you, and I cannot go back enough. Anyway, it's a good level for the previous session. Okay, so it means that on a previous session in this level we have a manipulation probably on the US opening, okay, that have never been tested yet. So here there is a zone and this level is being tested right here. Okay, so I already highlight these levels also for the next session, next 2, 3, 4 session. Okay, so they are usually levels in which price reacting very good. Okay, and it was a high win rate trade because we have 1.7 more or less. Okay, then we made this is the third mistake. Why it's a mistake? Because we are on a bullish trend, on the bearish trend. Okay, what I was thinking that this was a good signal that buyers took control of the market, which not at the end. But we are inside the higher time frame demand zone that I highlighted before. I was I was confident with my daily bias again. Yeah, okay. So we are here, so usually we have to be flexible to change the idea, okay, not stick with the same plan for the whole session when we saw something that is going against us with this strength. Okay, thinking that we are bullish with this strong trend, this strong pressure is not good. Anyway, I thought that this was a very good trend reversal pattern, but the reason for which I told you that is a mistake is because we don't have breakout structure. So we keep on going bearish because this was a liquidity sweep, and the liquidity sweep create this new zone, this new bearish zone, and we have another bearish zone here in which I took this beautiful trade. This is everything I need: liquidity sweep, strong displacement, we are against the bearish trend. Okay, maybe I should have also here profit, you have to leave this trade with profit running. Okay, the reason why which I didn't do that is because we are already in front of a huge movement. So I thought that this trend could stop here, but it didn't. So we have this movement. Okay, this is a very good setup to me, because we have breakout structure and immediately bounced and breakout structure on the other side. So this is a manipulation zone. Okay, and I took another trade here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So now we are inside the lunch hour, and what I have to expect, I don't know, to be honest, but we already made this huge movement, and you know, probably price now is breathing and to keep on to take this direction. Okay, so guys, it's enough. I know that this is not a very good video. I mean, I do it in a very easy way, sharing my knowledge without preparing anything, to be honest. But I think that this could be good for you to hope understand something. Okay, remember to join my Discord channel, in which you have lots of videos, lots of free education, free learning stuff. I share my ideas, I share my trades, I share the journal. You have a Notion template, all for free. If you want I have Road to Funded program, in which everything is. It's a plus, in which you have. I go deep in 4 models, 3 scalping, 1 intraday, and yeah, I'll give you something that you can be very useful to get your trading better. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video.